I am recording.
So today is Wednesday, May 26th. Sadie is a little over 12 weeks old, and we are watching the American Idol finale. And Sadie's on her playmat and way too busy looking at herself in the mirror to be caring about American Idol. And she is kicking away at her elephant. Sadie, can we get a smile? Can you get a smile for the camera? Or you could just make those noises, that's fine too. Yeah. Yeah. You really want to talk, don't you?